Singapore is looking to increase its supply of liquefied natural gas or LNG imports to meet Singapore's growing electricity demands. With demand for LNG staying robust, Singapore looks set to lift a moratorium on new piped natural gas imports. Now, this means no new gas supply can be piped into the country for now. Experts say this move, though still at an early stage, would most likely enhance Singapore's competitiveness in the global LNG arena. Yvonne Chang reports.
There may soon be more than one sole supplier of LNG to Singapore. Speaking at the Gas Asia Summit, Second Minister for Trade and Industry, S.S. Warren, says the Energy Market Authority will soon call for proposals to supply Singapore's next tranche of LNG. This will be done in 2 stages, starting as early as the first quarter of next year. Importers will first be invited to submit proposals on how LNG can be supplied securely at a competitive price. The EMA will then shortlist up to 3 parties for the second stage. They will have up to 6 months to negotiate with potential buyers and secure commitments for LNG sales and purchases, after which EMA may award up to 2 licenses, depending on market demand and the quality of the proposals submitted. The EMA also plans to lift an existing moratorium on piped gas imports by 2018, or when LNG, piped in by BG Group, reaches its contracted 3 million tons per annum.
We started off with LNG, and we had a moratorium in order to ensure that the LNG market is able to develop and have a certain base load position in Singapore. As we go forward, then we should really be able to open up the market to different sources of gas in order to ensure that the most competitive sources are able to supply to Singapore. Hence the desire to lift the moratorium.
Analysts believe the response from potential players will be quite warm.
There's not that much risk as far as I could see. The demand is pretty constant. It's probably going to increase as well, so it's only projected to go up. And in addition, if you were to supply into Singapore, I think it would offer you opportunities that you wouldn't get in other markets. For example, the ability to reload cargoes if you so choose, and also things like the vessel cooling down services that they're offering now.
More sources of supply of LNG imports will increase the competitiveness of Singapore's LNG market. Analysts say this will also accelerate the progress of Singapore to becoming an LNG hub in Asia. But they say Singapore is still constrained by its small domestic market size as well as reduced liquidity.